All just had some lunch here.
What's that?
We all just had some lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that view is pretty alright. Got Shuswap Lake, Salmon Arm, Mount Ida, Enderby's over there somewhere. Go anywhere and watch out for stumps. Okay, let's go play.
Better. Yeah, I need to get better at turning around.
So here's a tip for you. If you've got a drink that's been sitting in the truck for too long and it's all warm, and you have some snow handy, just take it and stick it in the snow and just roll it for, I don't know, a minute or so. It'll be icy cold. All right, so that was good. Sunny, good views. Got to go riding with Dad finally. Yeah. So next weekend we're probably gonna be going up, well, maybe Lumbee. We might be going up Lumbee next weekend. If not, probably Hunter's Range again. So it should be good. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, so I'm doing a giveaway. If we hit 100 subs on the channel by the end of April, like April 30th, I'll be giving away 2 sets of stickers to two random people. So be sure to subscribe and all that stuff. So, and yeah, I